Sticky ba? Yes. Ay, wala na. Nag-melt na. Good morning, you guys. So today, I am going to... Where are the best places to buy plants? I'm gonna show the prices as well, so you guys will have some idea on what you will pay and how expensive it is really to live here in Denmark. And I also just got out of the showers, and see you guys later. Okay guys, now I look presentable. I really want to blow dry my hair. I'm just gonna air dry it, enjoy the sun, and see my friend April. So, see you guys later. Mr. Octopus. Marunong ka na pala mag-Danish, girl. Pati lang. Esta persa. Ay, hala. Ano sila, girl? Mobile pay? Ay, nila. Ah, okay, okay. Add everything na. Anyari, okay lang yan. Sa'yo na yan. Ayan, hindi naman basa. Hindi ba? Hindi naman. Sarap. Pwede ka na maging ano, girl. Girl loser. Ano kawawa yung hotdog? Parang nalunod. Uy, nalagyan ng orange yung isa. Ilalabas ba ito? Wala naman. Wala, ganyan lang. Kasi baka ano. Ang hangin. Wait lang. So April is going to try to pronounce small-ball. Small-ball. Yeah, pwede namang ikat. Okay. Okay na? Yeah. Ay? Ano yan? Sticky ba? Ah, ganyan. Yes. Kunin mo yan. Insulter. Ay, wala na. Nag-melt na. Gano'n na lang natin, girl. Baka feeling ko sinama naman sa April. Sinisira yung vlog ko. No, don't worry about it. Okay, girl. It's all about the real thing. Wow. Okay. Ayan, okay na. Yeah. The real thing na ba? Oh. Visitor. The visitor? Yeah. Oh, grabe yung ano. Super fresh. Girl, mahirap ba? Nakuha mo ba yung... Ah, okay. Nalaglag na. Tsara kasi. Alam mo, Tsara? With vocal, red cabbage, orange chard, and pickled. Parang ang laki. Sulto agwak. Yan. Parang ang laki niya, girl. Ayaw mo yung girl. Sige, layo ko. Yes. Charap? Alam mo,
Girl, the effort is so much. Parang gusto mo na lang kumain.
Pero, girl, alam mo, pag after na, parang satisfying. Tapos, ang sarap balik-balikan yung moment.
Ay, ganun ba?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it kasi.
Gusto ko din kasi vlog yung opening ni ate.
Go! Eh, wait.
Diba?
Dang, 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 dang.
How? How?
1 hour later.
Bago ma-ubusay ka na bata. Yeah. May fresh flowers. Cute. Parang cute na kasi may oh. Ano bang
Minute 37 seconds later.
ang ganda, girl. Magkano?
398.
398. Checks. Saan yan? Yung dried? Shit, girl. Ang ganda.
Ito 5 for 200.
Ay, oh, maganda yan, girl.
Ito na lang kaya. 2 for 90 lang.
Tapos isang pera?